Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to look at question 14 of Paper 1 SPM at Maths 2017. Alright, so this question is regarding about trigonometry. So let's take a deeper look at this question. Alright, so 14. Diagram 6 shows the graph of y equals to m cos px minus 1, where x is between 0 and pi. Alright, so this part here is our main focus here. Alright, okay, so the formula is quite important. And then they show you the graph of how the trigonometric function plays out. Alright, so here, so state the value of m and p. Right, so let's take a look at this question first. So they want us to find the value of m and p. So how do you find? Now, so what you do is you can actually use the graph to your advantage. Now, so what you can start with is to plug in the necessary x values and see what's the y value. And then from there, you can actually find out the values for m and p. Okay, so what you want to do first is, if you're looking for m, right, we have to make sure that there's only one unknown in the equation, because here is actually y equals to m cos px minus 1. So there are two unknowns that we're dealing with, which is m and p. So if we're looking for m, we don't want p to be part of the equation. So we can cause the p to be 0 by putting x as 0. So that's what we can try to do. But of course, we want to know what is the corresponding value of y. So here we can actually look at the graph. So when x is 0 over here, we see that the value of y is 2. Alright, so when x is 0, y is 2. Alright, so from here, okay. Alright, I think the thing is a bit jammed. Alright, okay. So let's rewrite this. So over here, y is equal to 2, x is equal to 0. So 2 m cos 0 minus 1. Alright, so from here we can actually start to look for the value of m. So here I can rewrite this as m cos 0 equals to 3. Okay, negative 1, I move over, I get 3. Cos 0 is equal to 1. You can actually check that with your calculator. So we will get that the answer is 3. So there's your answer. So m is 3. Alright, how do you find p then? So to find p, what you have to do is you actually have to, so in this case, I think I will actually try, okay, let's use pi instead. Okay, so pi and we get 2. So now x equals to pi and y is equal to 2. Alright, now we have this one. So then we start all over. So instead, now it's going to be 2 equals to m, which is 3. Okay, we found the value already. And then cos p pi minus 1. Alright, so now we start with this one. So 2 equals to 3 cos pi, cos p pi, 2 equals to 3 cos p pi minus 1. Right, so from here, we can start everything. So negative 1 and move over, I get 3. 3 cos p pi. Cos p pi is equal to 1. Now, so in what instance whereby you have cos, you have p pi and equals to 1, the answer is actually cos 2 pi. So only in a situation whereby it's cos 2 pi you can get 1. Well, cos 0 you can also get 1, but it doesn't make sense for p to be 0 in this case. So it will make sense for p to have a certain number, so the only way that it can equal to 1 is using 2 pi. Okay, because if you recall, the graph is actually like this. So this is 0, this is pi, this is 2 pi. You can actually check with your calculator. Cos 2 pi is equal to 1, but make sure your calculator is in radian mode. So from this comparison, we can say that p is equal to 2. So this is your answer. Alright, so we can get that p is equal to 2. Okay, good. So we have the values m and p. Now, what about the last one here? The number of solutions for when m cos px is equal to negative 3. Alright, so here, okay, I'm going to need Okay, I'm going to remove this first. Alright, so m cos px equals to negative 3. Right, so the number of solutions. Now, so what we want, okay, so this is how we're going to play it out. Okay, so m cos px equals to negative 3. So what I can do is, I can put negative 1 on both sides. So m cos px minus 1 is going to equal to negative 3 minus 1. So you will notice that this is actually equal to the trigonometric function here. So here I'm going to rewrite it as y. Then y is equal to negative 3, negative 1 is negative 4. So what it means is, right, how you actually find the number of solutions is you actually draw this line, because this is actually a horizontal line. Y equal to negative 4 is actually a horizontal line, so you draw this on the graph. So negative 4, okay, so negative 4. So in this case, okay, oh sorry, let me remove that. Right, so let's use green. So if I draw the y equals to negative 4, like this, so what do you see? Okay, so let me draw this part clearer. Okay, so when you draw the line there, right, the way you find the number of solutions is to see how many points at which the two graphs touch. And in this case, there's only at one point, which is right over here. Okay, it touches at that part. So it means that the number of solutions is equal to 1. So here, your answer is number of solutions is equal to 1. So that's your answer. Thank you for watching.